What we got here today is I got the Jeep 134 Willys Godevil flathead intake and exhaust manifold, a two-piece, and they're totally different. The holes don't line up. Everything needs to be elongated, and the thickness of the flange on the exhaust is a lot thicker than the intake. So the nut's going to go crooked. It's not going to clamp down on the half of the intake manifold. So I got it just chucked up in a vise in the Bridgeport with a long end mill. It's like a 1-inch end mill, and I'm just going to chop about 100 thousandths off the thickness of that flange, so it's the same thickness as the intake manifold. And it's just being done in a Bridgeport, just in a vise. It's squared up. It's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just going to chop away at it a little at a time until I take about 100 off, and then I'll measure it up. You gotta love mass-produced parts overseas.